Michael from Locked In.
Hell yeah. Woo! We out here. And we both own a All City Nature Boy. Different colors, different years.
Mine's better.
We'll find out. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic.
All right. I'm just totally blanking right now, dude.
This has to all be in. This all has to be in the edit. It's gonna be at the end, but it's all gotta be in there. This is what really happens when we make videos.
Gosh. This is awful. This is awful. So it's been about 3 years ever since I built the...
This is YouTube magic. That's it.
Come in.
Okay.
All right.
Hang on, wait.
Oh, and it's gonna be like the pop and the
Oh, sorry.
We don't have the AC! We don't have the AC!
I'm so sorry. That's why I said wait.
Oh,
the audio for that. Sorry, I told you it was gonna happen.
Right.
Damn Mexican food.
Oh, yeah, that's a bad idea. We should have gone to internet.
Should have made a bad decision. Learned one thing today. At the end of the video, that's what we're gonna wrap with.
Also, the entire frame set is ED coded, which is I forgot what it is.
Isn't ED erectile dysfunction?
It is. It has erectile dysfunction coding. The straight blade tapered fork. The hennepin bridge dropouts.
It's not tapered.
It's not tapered?
It's straight.
No, I mean like the fork laser tapered.
Oh, okay. It's a tapered fork. So I don't want you to get
Fork
flamed.
blade. Sorry. Thanks. All right.
It's looking out.
And with that, more.
It's just the meme of, do you ever wish I do? I know. Hot tamale, I'm sweating. I think your hair is going to progressively get like lower. You know, that's like usually what happens.
It's going to sleep with the sun. And that geometry also helped with a bigger load on my back, like with groceries.
This is what we think about if it's right for you, because it's right for us. And I mean, this is goals right here, right? I mean, we're on the internet, right? I mean, we're on YouTube, right? You guys are watching this, right? So obviously we know what we're talking about. You can decide to cut all that out if you want.
Or not.
Or not. Or comment below if they left it in. I don't know.
Put in that flatulence.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. Go to me farting.
And again, check out... My mouth is so dry. I just need to say like one
All
sentence.
10,000 taste buds? Swirl it. Like, tandem reviews, that's double the content in one video.
I've
that's
never
like,
even ridden a tandem bike before.
I'd really love it if you subscribe to my channel, Locked In. I'm hoping he'll put that link in the description.
Oh no, don't worry. I'll put it at the bottom.
There you go. Scroll all the way down and you'll see it.
And again, check out Michael at Locked In the description. He's actually one of the reasons why I got into fixed gear bikes in the first place. Without him, this channel wouldn't exist. And, as always...
Right here, man. Right here.
And as always, don't watch this upcoming video if you haven't ridden your bike yet today. Instead, ride your bike every day to be...
I'm terrible.
Reasonably dangerous.
Oh, yeah, okay, I got it. All right, we're good. All right. I'm ready.